Are you an entrepreneur looking to level up your investment game to the elite level? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of luxury investing and take control of your financial future? Look no further, because today we're going to discuss mastering the art of high rolling and how to invest in luxury like a pro. Hi, this is Liam from the High Roller Hub. If you're looking for a place to learn about the luxury lifestyle, earning an extra income, or do you want to become a real high roller? This is the place for you. First, let's start with the basics. Investing in luxury assets can be highly rewarding, but it requires a level of strategy and expertise that not everyone possesses. The key is to understand the market and invest in the right assets at the right time. Timing is everything when it comes to luxury investments. Just like the stock market, the value of luxury assets can fluctuate based on supply and demand. That's why you need to keep a close eye on the market trends and stay up to date with the latest news. If you're new to the luxury investment game, start with something simple, like buying a luxury watch or a designer handbag. These investments typically hold their value well and can even increase in value over time. Make sure you're buying from reputable sources and go with brands that are known to hold their value well. As you become more comfortable with investing in luxury, you can move on to bigger and more complex investments, such as art, real estate, and collector cars. These investments require a higher level of expertise and research, but they can also yield significant returns if done correctly. When it comes to luxury investments, networking is key. Attend luxury events, join exclusive clubs, and connect with other high rollers. You never know when an opportunity might present itself, and having a strong network can be the difference between a good investment and a great one. Investing in luxury isn't just about the financial returns, it's also about the lifestyle. Buying a luxury property or car can be a statement of success and really elevate your personal brand. Just remember, luxury investments should always be a part of a well-diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now that you've mastered the art of high rolling, it's time to embark on your journey into the world of luxury investments. Remember, knowledge is power, so stay informed, stay connected, and always aim for quality. Hey, this is Liam again. You just watched a video of High Roller Hub. If you liked what you saw, share this with your friends and check out these 2 videos right here. Let us know your thoughts on this subject in the comments down below and suggest to us what we could cover in the next video. Thanks again, and see you all next time.